Hello, my dear children. I hope you all are doing good. So, in this lecture, we'll continue with our question number 19. So, in a previous lecture, we completed till question number 16, right? So, question number 17, I gave you question number 16 homework. That was simple division. So, I taught you how division is to be done. So, question number 16 was your homework. Question number 17 is cancelled. Question number 18 is also cancelled. So, let's continue with the question number 19. Question number 19 is find the divisions that are right or not, correct those that are wrong. Okay, so here if you see, you have A, B and C, A, B and C question, and you have to see the divisions. If the divisions are right, you will put just a tick mark. If the divisions are wrong, you will cross it and then do the correct divisions. So if I show you the first one, 463 divided by 6. So if you see, I'll just say, you just listen carefully. So 6 sevens is 42, right? So 46 minus 42 is 4. So 4 is right. So next number is 3, right? The next remaining number is 3, which has to be written down. And what they have written is, instead of 3, they have written 9. So this division is wrong. So here if you see 46 minus 42, the remainder will be 4. And the next number is 3, which will take it down, and then 6 sevens again 42, remainder 1 will come. This is how division is to be done, and this was wrong, so I put a cross. B1 is correct. Okay, everything is right here in B1, the division is right, so I've put a tick mark. And the C question is 4059 divided by 9. So 9 4s are 36 hota hai, right? 9 3s are is 27. Okay, so they have written 36 here, but here they have written 3, so this division is also wrong. So for 9 4s is 36, so I have written the correct division. 40 minus 36 is 4, and the next number is 5, which will take it down. And 45 kab aata hai? 9 5s are 45, and then remainder will come 0, and then 9 will take it down, and then 9 ones are 9, and then remainder will come 0. So answer will be 451. Okay, this was the correct division. Here you have to identify which one is wrong. If it is wrong, even if there is a single mistake, you'll put a cross mark and do the correct division. If it is right, just put a tick mark and go ahead. Okay, so let's do the question number 20. Okay, so what is there is right, what is missing from these divisions. So this is your questions, right? They gave you 80 divided by a blank, 80 divided by a blank is equals to 40. Okay, so what you have to do, children, you will divide 80 by 40 and you will get this number. Okay, so let's divide 80 by 40. Okay, so 40 ones are 40, 42s are 80, right? So answer is what, children? 2. Okay, so here in this blank, the answer will come is 2. Okay, here I've written, here it is written 20, but instead of 20, the answer will be 2. Okay. Okay, children, so here I have written wrongly, mistakenly. Here the answer will be 2. Okay, if we divide 80 by 20, will we get 40? Let's check in the new slide. Okay, so 80 by 20. Okay, if we divide 80 by 20, what we get? 21s are 20, 24s are 80. We are getting 4 answer. Okay, so that is why this is wrong. 20 answer is wrong, children. Okay, 2 answer is right. 2 is right. So here in this blank, the answer will be, you just see this is the answer. 80 divided by 2, this is the correct answer. Okay, 80 divided by 2 is equals to 40. You see here? Okay. Next question here is, children, dash divided by 7 is equals to 5. Okay, this is your question. What you will divide by 7 to get 5? Okay, so what you will do, you will multiply 7 into 5. What is 7 into 5? 7 5s is 35. So if you divide 35 divided by 7, you will get the answer 5. So 35 is the correct answer. Okay, children, 35 is the correct answer. Okay, the C1 is 120 divided by 10 is equals to a box. Okay, so 120 divided by 10, let's see what it comes. 120 divided by 10, 0 0 card, 12 is the answer. So here you'll get the answer 12. Okay, so if you don't know like this, you can also divide. 12 10 is 120 है ना. 120 को आप 10 से डिवाइड करके देखो जिस तरह से आपको आता है. Like this, you know, है ना, like this, you know. So you can divide it. 10 ones are 10. 12 minus 10 will be 2, and then 0 will take it down. Just a minute. 0 will take it down. Okay, and 10 twos are 20. Answer is what? 12. 12 is the answer. Okay, so the answer is 12. If you divide it, you get 12. If you do it like this, you get it 12. Okay, so answer is 12. The D1 is, now D1 is 90 divided by 30 is equals to what? Okay, 90 divided by 30, you can divide it like this if it is easy for you. If this method is easy for you, what you will do is 30 divided by 90. Okay, so again 90 divided by 30, 30 you will do how? Here it will come 3. 30 threes are 90, right? So answer should be 3. Okay, answer should be 3 instead of 30. Okay, if it is 30, yes, answer will be 3. Here it is again written wrong. You have to write here in this box 3. Okay, here in this box you will write 3 children's. Okay, is this clear now? Here the answer is 3. I'll tell you one by one. The first, this was A1. A1, the answer was 2. B1, the answer was, B answer is here. B answer was 35. Okay, this was B. B answer was 35 and C answer was 12. Okay, the D answer was 3. Okay, the answer for D was 3. Okay, the next question was children. Okay, here this is wrong. Here 2, here it will be 3. Next question is write two division and two multiplication facts using the two given factors. Okay, तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है आपको? Two multiplication numbers लिखने हैं and two division numbers लिखने हैं. Okay, it is very simple children. I'll just show you up here. I'll just give me time to rub this. Okay. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो दे आपको क्या करना है? आपको 3 नंबर्स दिए हैं एंड आपको उसमें 2 डिविजन एंड 2 मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट्स लिखने हैं. आपको 3 नंबर कौन से हैं? एक तो दिया है उन्होंने 1800 सबसे ऊपर लिखा है एंड नीचे लिखा है 60 एंड 30. ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी द 2 मल्टीप्लिकेशन नंबर? 60 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 30. 2 मल्टीप्लिकेशन के नंबर लिखने हैं, सॉल्व कुछ नहीं करना है. 2 मल्टीप्लिकेशन नंबर, 2 डिविजन नंबर. 60 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 30 करोगे आपको मिलेगा 1800, है ना. 30 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 60 करोगे आपको मिलेगा 1800. ओके, सो ये हो गए 2 मल्टीप्लिकेशन नंबर्स. 2 डिविजन नंबर्स लिखने हैं तो आपने क्या करना है? 1800 डिवाइडेड बाय 60 एंड 1800 डिवाइडेड बाय 30. हो गया, इतना ही सॉल्व करना है. ओके, सो हाउ यू हैव टू डू इज 3 नंबर्स दिए हैं, 2 जो स्मॉल नंबर्स हैं उन्हें आपने क्या करना है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 60 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 30 इधर लिखना है, 30 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 60 इधर लिखना है, 1800 डिवाइडेड बाय 60 डिविजन फैक्टर, 1800 डिवाइडेड बाय 30 द नेक्स्ट डिविजन फैक्टर. ओके चिल्ड्रंस, बस नंबर्स को लिखना है, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ठीक है, 60 को 30 से, 30 को 60 से. दो मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्टर्स हो गए। अब डिविजन के लिए 1800 को 60 से, 1800 को 30 से, दैट इज हाउ यू हैव टू डू इट। ओके, सो सी हियर हाउ आई हैव रिटन 60 into 30, 30 into 60, 1800 divided by 60, 1800 divided by 30. Next question is B1. B question, let's see how it is done. Okay, B question is 25,000. Okay, next question is 25,000 and नीचे उन्होंने लिखा है 500 एंड डैश। ओके, सो आपने सबसे पहले देखना है कि इस डैश में क्या आएगा। सो ये डैश मिल जाएगा तो आप इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे एंड इसको इससे डिवाइड कर दोगे, हो जाएगा आपका आंसर सॉल्व। सो क्या होगा, 25,000 डिवाइड बाय 500 करना है अपने। ओके, सबसे पहले आप करके देखो 25,000 डिवाइड बाय 500 करने से क्या आता है। सो यू विल गेट चिल्ड्रन 50। ओके, यू व्हाट डू यू गेट इज यू गेट 50। ओके, ओके, सो ये आपका डिवीजन होता है। सो नाउ यू हैव गॉट थ्री नंबर्स 550 एंड 25,000। सो आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट क्या लिखोगे, 500 इंटू 50, 50 इंटू 500, हो गया मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट 500 इंटू